I would describe my style as comfy but liberated, and I say that because I spent so long thinking, being a plus size girl, I couldn't wear what I wanted to wear, and I just enjoy fashion now, which is something I never thought I would say. I didn't even used to try on clothes in the changing room, and now I just believe in wearing what you want. I love this skirt. It has given me all the Clueless vibes. As soon as I put it on, I absolutely loved it. And I think with this top, you can kind of wear it all year round. It's perfect because this is like super comfortable and great to wear in the summer, but actually it's really, really nice for autumn. I think you always need classic pieces in your wardrobe that you can style up and wear more than once, because budget wise you don't have to spend lots of money, and also it's really easy to switch from day to night. Even with the kids, if I want something really comfortable I can wear in the day, but I'm doing something more adult in the evening, you can just switch it up and it's just easy. I absolutely love the look too. The high neck I wouldn't normally go for, but actually it really, really works, especially tucked into the skirt. And the trainers are super chunky, but they totally match the sleekness of the skirt. And the jacket is lush. I love the colour clash. I'm inspired by so many different people. A lot of the plus size fashion bloggers are amazing and are really throwing their rule books out the window and wearing what they want. And actually, my mum really inspires me. She wore what she wanted throughout my childhood. She always wore bright colours, and I think that inspired me that actually I can wear whatever I want to wear, especially when you're a mum, especially when you're a curvy woman. And I think she probably inspired my style more than I realised. Look number 3, Mama is out. I absolutely adore this. The body goes really, really nice with the skirt, and I love that you can totally dress up the skirt for a night out. The body's got really wide straps, which is brilliant if you've got a bigger bra and you want to cover those up. And the shoes are amazing because they're not too high, which totally means you can dance the night away without having to take them off. Clothes are there to make you feel good, and they're a massive part of who you are, how you identify, and I love that. I love that I can be fun, I can be flirty, I can be all of these things that I never thought I could be before, and now I can pretty much be anything I want. I just have to put it on.